So if China decides to sell its fifth-generation J-35 stealth fighter jets to Pakistan, it would seriously mark a major shift in South Asia's aerial balance. This development could potentially threaten India's air superiority, especially along the western border. In response, India really needs a comprehensive strategy that includes short-term defense upgrades, long-term indigenous development, and, strategic diplomacy to maintain aerial dominance and deterrence. One of the strongest options for India is to consider acquiring the F-35 Lightning II from the United States. The F-35 is currently the most advanced fifth-generation fighter jet in the world and has already been combat tested by several United States allies. The benefits include unmatched stealth, advanced avionics, and seamless integration into network-centric warfare. Its acquisition would serve as a strong counter to Pakistan's J-35S and send a clear signal to both Pakistan and China. However, there are challenges, such as the high cost of acquisition and maintenance, as well as its potential impact on India's indigenous fighter programs, and these must be carefully evaluated. India must also, speed up its domestic defense programs like the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA, and the Combat Air Teaming System, or CATS Warrior drone. AMCA is India's answer to fifth-generation fighters, combining stealth, supercruise, and advanced avionics. Its timely development is really critical for India's long-term air power independence. CATS Warrior, a loyal wingman drone developed by HAL, will operate alongside manned jets like the Tejas and Su-30 MKI, enhancing combat capability using artificial intelligence and, swarm tactics. Accelerating these indigenous programs not only strengthens India's future air power, but also, boosts its defense manufacturing ecosystem under the Make in India initiative. While the United States F-35 remains the most attractive platform technologically, India could also explore buying Russia's Su-57 Felon or the upcoming Su-75 Checkmate stealth fighters. These platforms offer advanced features at a relatively lower cost and align with India's existing Russian-origin defense infrastructure, like the Su-30 MKI and S-400. Though the Su-57 is still maturing, acquiring a limited number for evaluation or, bridging the gap until AMCA is ready could be a practical move. So, India currently operates the S-400 Triumph missile system, which is, honestly, one of the most effective long-range air defense systems globally. Now, if Pakistan fields stealth aircraft like the J-35, India should really consider buying additional S-400 regiments and, deploying them strategically across the western border to defend against those low observable targets. In parallel, India should integrate systems like Akash NG, XR-SAM, and passive radars for a multi-layered defense that neutralizes enemy stealth advantages. Beyond fighter jets, India must improve its electronic warfare capabilities, upgrade AESA radars, and strengthen airbase survivability. Preparing for anti-stealth operations, improving data fusion, and deploying drone countermeasures will be key to maintaining an edge in modern air warfare. China selling J-35 stealth jets to Pakistan would undoubtedly threaten India's security. However, India can neutralize this threat through a mix of smart foreign procurements, like the F-35 or Su-57, accelerated indigenous programs like AMCA and CATS Warrior, and a robust air defense network. By acting swiftly and strategically, India can not only maintain its air superiority, but also send a strong message of deterrence and preparedness to its adversaries. If you found this analysis informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.